All right, welcome back. This is the last one. The Nike one's an interesting one. It's such a looks like it's such a simple logo, beautifully designed. But to get all of those curves right, it just takes some tweaking. So again, I'll grab my pen tool here and start up here, and then I'm just kind of guesstimating right about here, and I'll do something a little different. Instead of just doing a sharp point and then going over and changing the joint like I did in last videos, I'm going to actually click and drag and try to get it close. So then I'll let go. Okay, so that's feeling pretty good. And then I'll go out here. Let's see if we can do a nice line there. And then again here, I'm going to kind of guesstimate. I'm going to click and drag and pull out that curve. And then I think I'm going to need probably one more over here. Again, click and drag, and I'm watching the blue curved line as I drag. There we go, it's approximate. And then I'll close the shape. Okay, so that's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead, change the color, change the opacity. I'm gonna go with a lighter color just so it's hopefully easier to see. There we go. All right, and I'll press D to get the sub-select tool. There we go. And I'm going to delete the border. You can always add it again later if you need to. Okay, so it looks like I accidentally made another point here. I'm not sure how I did that, but I can select it, press delete, and there we are. So again, this is where, now I made this a disconnected joint, just so that way I can really play with it a little bit more. And the disconnected joint, it's still not doing it. I might need that extra point in there. So I think I'm going to need an extra point. So the way that you do that is you go back up here to grab the pen tool, and you just put your mouse pointer right on the line in between any two anchors until your pen shows a little plus symbol. And then you click, and there's your point. So now I'll go back to D for the select tool, bring it in, and there we go. So I'm not sure what that was. Okay, so sometimes you just need extra points for extra control, right? So this is the part where you just kind of get nitpicky and careful, and you can move the anchors around. Again, you can try the arrow keys. And then try moving those handles around. Nothing's really going to line up with this particular logo. That's fine. Okay, and again, for my students that are doing this, it doesn't have to be exactly pixel perfect. Now, if you're going to lose sleep over it, please don't. Obviously, I can get in there and I can zoom. Sorry, I said the zoom word. Let's see. This point here is asymmetrical. I'm not sure how that happened. There we go. Okay, so I'm off by a tiny little bit up here and over here on the left-hand side. I could zoom in there and really, fiddle with it and do that. I'm going to go ahead and bring the opacity back up. There we go. So I'm seeing this. Ooh, it actually looks like I have 2 points here. I'm not sure how that happened. That's strange. I don't know where the other handle is. Weird. Okay. Well, I will have to fix that. Seems like I made an extra point at some point. No. Oh, maybe it's because it's a disconnected. I wonder why. Maybe because it's disconnected? Maybe that's why. Okay, I will have to fiddle around with that. Sorry about that. So that's going to be my finished Nike logo. It's still off here a little tiny bit, but I don't want to keep everybody watching here. I hope this helps you out, and I hope your Nike logo turns out better than mine. Thanks, everyone. See you next time.